Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a double unboxing video. As promised, one of these items I have reordered essentially. I was going to do an exchange, but I decided not to because there was a sale that popped up and I posted it on my community page. So if you aren't a subscriber, you better get on that because lately I've been posting things on my community page like gangbusters, and this is one of them. And I actually have not one box like this, but I have two boxes like this. So one of these items, you have no clue that it was coming. The other one, you can probably guess. I'll give you a little hint though. They are both Coach Tali bags, also known sometimes as the Tali Bucket Bag. There's no way I can get both of them in the frame without dropping them, making a lot of commotion. So let me just tell you that I am so super impressed with how Zappos packaged these bags. So there's number one. The bags are factory fresh, just as Zappos would have received them from Coach. And one thing that I was a little worried about is that when you buy a bag off Amazon and it says it's coming from Zappos, I don't know if you're aware of this, but Amazon and Zappos and 6pm.com are all the same company. 6pm.com is basically an outlet for Zappos, and sometimes they have good things there. But when you buy an item on Amazon that is shipped by Zappos, I don't think you get the same kind of treatment as if you order it directly from Zappos. So here's box number two. So rather than using one giant box, and I ordered both of these yesterday at the exact same time when I was frantically posting all the deals for you on my community page. When I bought this bag from 24S, and there I'm giving it away, it came and there were wrinkles on the strap. There was a little bit of a defect on the web strap as well. The wrinkles were on the leather strap. And then there was a little bit of a defect on the closure as well. So let's look and see if I did any better here. And by the way, all three of those things, those weren't the fault of 24S. In fact, 24S was excellent in the return process. They have already received the bag back. They have credited me my full amount, and I'm only waiting to get my rewards dollars back, but they have assured me that within 2 or 3 days, those will be back in my account so that I can spend more money with them. One nice thing about ordering from Zappos as opposed to Amazon, and like I said, they're the same company, is that if you order it directly from Zappos, you get essentially a 1-year guarantee. If anything goes wrong with your bag in the first year, you can return it, no questions asked. And I was lucky to get that information from another wonderful YouTuber out there, and her name is Jane Church. So if you haven't checked out Jane Church's channel, you better get on that and go do it. So that's side number one. Side number two, I'm going to link my video unboxing this bag from 24S. The packaging was amazing. I mean, even better than Zappos. It was just bad luck because it did come factory wrapped that I got one that had defects. Okay, I have no bump here on the seat closure. I had a bump like on the seat closure that was noticeable, that you could see. This bag has a little bit more, I guess, a little bit more lumps and bumps, but that is to be expected. It's not wrinkled or anything. It's just a little slouchy. I'm totally good with that. No issues here. Now for the moment of truth that you've all been awaiting. Let's check out the strap. One thing that Coach has started doing that I think all designers should do is they started fastening their straps, their keepers for their straps, with this little, I don't know what to call it, plastic thingy, so that they don't get lost. That is fantastic. Okay, so here we go. Now my eyes are not that great, but that looks pretty darn good to me. That's where it was messed up on the other one. I like how they have it set to the metal setting. That's perfect for me. Or one away from the top. And this is looking good to me too. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. I need reading glasses to be able to see stuff up close, so I can't be 100% sure that's not blurry. But from what I can tell, it looks pretty darn good. I would put my glasses on and look at it, but honestly, I just can't because I don't have them in the room with me. I'm going to go ahead and detach the straps. This one appears to be a keeper. I did order this from Bloomingdale's the day before Zappos marked them down, and it wasn't a bad deal there either. I earned $75 in PowerPoints when I bought it from Bloomingdale's, and then on top of that, I don't pay tax at Bloomingdale's, and I got 10% cash back. But then Zappos marked these down to $276.50. I do pay tax with Zappos, and I want to say that my total expenditure, I think it was $183 per bag. I have a pretty low tax rate where I live. It might have been $188, but it was right in there somewhere. And I got 15.75% cash back. Yep, you heard that right. 15.75% cash back because I went through TopCashBack and I signed up for a new Zappos account. You could only get the whopping cash back if you had a new Zappos account. And so I used my handbag housewife email to sign up for a new Zappos account. Nobody said you could not do that, so why not? And I am buying these for my channel, so having a handbag housewife account with as many retailers as possible is not a bad idea. It makes it easier to track these things. So this strap is in perfect working order. And I've got on the crossbody strap. Let me go ahead and show you. This is beautiful. The one bag I wanted to show you this crossbody strap with was the camera bag. The one bag that is besides the Tali Bucket Bag. I love a good strap swap, and I've got plenty of chalk bags now to do some swapping. I have my chalk camera bag, and I have my Cassie 19 in the color chalk. The camera bag came with this cool strap. While I'm at it, let's just give it a try on the Tali Bucket Bag. I don't see why not. The camera bag strap is longer than the web strap that comes with the Tali Bucket Bag. This leather, I don't know if you can tell by looking at it, but it is so luscious. It feels so good. Despite the fact that there is pebbled leather, I don't think that looks bad at all. This is another alternative for this bag if you want to wear more taupe color tones. On the flip side, I only got a web strap with this bag. It did not come with a chalk strap. And I did show you when I unboxed it that I have my strap from my Cassie 19, but I am excited to have a grommeted option that's thick to go with this camera bag. So this is up a little high. There's all kinds of adjustability though. I can go down 2 more notches to get it down a little lower if I wanted to. But I think that looks great too. I have thicker straps for several of my Cassie 19 bags, and this is no exception, but I would say that this strap that comes with the Tali Bucket Bag is now the thickest chalk strap that I have. So this offers an awesome alternative for the Cassie 19 as well. Are you getting some ideas? Are you getting the picture of what I like to do with these bags? Let's give the web strap a try on the Cassie 19 bag. I love the colors in the web strap that comes with the chalk Tali Bucket Bag. I think that they're fabulous. So I have this down almost as low as it can go. It can go down another probably 2 inches easily, but it works really well at this height. I could play with this a little more and swap straps a bit more, but I don't have time to do that today, especially because I haven't shown you what's behind curtain number 2. I wasn't gonna do this, and this is all Julie with Agent Bag Reviews' fault. I didn't even like this bag until she sent me a photograph trying it on. And when I saw that photograph, I thought, I do like that bag. See what you did to me, Julie? It's all your fault. It's not my fault. Okay, so I did check out the first one. Oh, so it's a black Tali bucket bag. This one's shaped just slightly better than the chalk one. It doesn't have the same amount of slouch. It has the honey interior. And I think I showed you the inside of the chalk one the other day, so I don't need to show you that again. But let's check out these straps. Make sure they're A-okay. The black one, the all black one, is just fine. This strap, the web strap that came with the black Tali bucket bag, this is the reason why I did not like this bag. And I don't know why, because it's like a copper color. You know I like copper from my watermelon camera bag. This is gonna look great with rose gold jewelry. I think it's gonna be fantastic. So I'm not seeing any issues on either end with the strap. I think that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and detach the straps. So first, let me show it like this. When I saw it hanging on the rack at Coach, I was not impressed. It was a no-go for me, no thank you, no siree. But when you have it on, you've got a combination of brown with black interspersed and black. And I love that combo. Not only that, but in the center here, that's red-orange. So if I wanted to have a more fall look with a little bit of black color blocking for my red-orange Tali, I could definitely wear it like that too. And let's not forget my black camera bag. Now, not only do I have a thick grommeted black leather strap for this black camera bag, I do have a lot of black straps, so that's not that big of a deal, but it's still pretty cool, I think. But I also have this awesome strap for my black camera bag. And I don't know if you remember the strap that comes with my black camera bag. Are you getting any ideas? I hope so. That's my job, to give you ideas of things that you want to work towards or hope for or dream about or live vicariously through me, I suppose. So this is set a little long, but here is the Tali with my strap from my camera bag. And this is a lot more muted look, a lot less bold, and probably would go with completely different outfits in my wardrobe. This strap extravaganza is gonna wear me out, but here we go. Here is the Tali bucket bag with the all black grommeted strap. Again, it's chef's kiss. I love it. And last but not least, here's the camera bag with the thicker strap. So that is the final option I'm going to show you today. But let me tell you something. I link this bag occasionally, and again, look, it's smooth leather versus Pebble, but I still think it looks fabulous. But I link this bag occasionally. Right now, you can get the chalk for $137.50 with the narrow grommeted strap. So if you wanted to combine that combo with the chalk Tali bucket bag, then you would have the strap swappability option going on. You could also get the black combination, but then to get that black, right now it's a little higher. I haven't seen it under $150. You can get the combo I have that has the black webbed strap from the hut.com, I believe, and I can link that down below. But just be wary, some people have had troubles with the hut.com if they had to make a return for any reason. I had great experiences with them all 3 times. Anyhow, I will give you all the links, and that way you can choose what you want to do. But I hope you've enjoyed this double unboxing, strap swapping fiasco here in my closet. If you could see the floor, you would gasp. Anyhow, I'm Erin. I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go follow me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the Handbag Housewife. You can DM me there or email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.